Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Are you aware of how crucial data privacy is in the realm of AI? Many organizations face challenges in ensuring compliance in today's data-centric environment. In this tutorial, we will examine the fundamental elements of data privacy and governance within AI. Our primary goal is to grasp the policies, processes, and practices essential for effective AI data management. Let's simplify this topic into manageable steps. First, acknowledge the significance of lawful data processing. Every piece of AI data must be backed by a documented lawful basis and possess a clear purpose. Next, understand the application scope. This encompasses all data types utilized in AI, whether they are structured, unstructured, or synthetic. Then, get acquainted with key privacy principles. These include lawfulness, purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, integrity, confidentiality, and accountability. After that, identify acceptable lawful bases for data processing. Common bases include contractual necessity, legal obligation, and legitimate interests. Now, pay attention to the data types involved. Personal data should be minimized, while sensitive data must obtain explicit consent. Moving on, let's address retention and deletion policies. AI training data should be kept according to legal stipulations, while deletion must be secure and verifiable. It's important to understand the rights of data subjects too. Users have the right to access, rectify, erase, restrict processing, and request data portability. Then, implement strong security controls for data access. Utilize encryption and role-based access to protect your data. Additionally, conduct a Data Protection Impact Assessment, DPIA, for new AI initiatives. This step is essential for evaluating potential risks and ensuring compliance. Finally, keep an implementation checklist to monitor all of these activities effectively. Regular audits, employee training, and continuous monitoring are vital. In summary, prioritizing lawful processing, core privacy principles, data subject rights, and security controls is critical for AI governance. Now, we encourage you to utilize this knowledge within your organization to improve your data privacy practices. Thanks for watching. For more insights, please subscribe to our channel for updates.